Dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Rajkumar IAS KS Academy. I am Akshay. Every UPSC aspirant has the same dream, to see their name in the final list. What separates one who clears the examination, one who does not, is how well they have prepared for the examination. It is not knowledge, it's a strategy, discipline, most importantly, how you have prepared for this particular attempt. That refinement is very important. Because in UPSC, you don't fail in examination hall, you fail in your preparation. In order to make you more confidence, make sure that you clear the examination, we are coming out with UPSC Pravesh 2026 Prelims Test Series, not just to test you, but to guide, mentor and transform your approach before the big day. Our test series is built differently. It has 3-layered learning ecosystem. There will be NCERT-based test. It will strengthen your foundation, bring more clarity. Then we have advanced test based on authored books. It will be designed based on UPSC-Pattern. Tricky, analytical and unpredictable, just like the actual examination. We will help you to handle negative marking, time pressure and use of proper elimination method. Apart from NCERTs and advanced level test, we are having 2 open mock tests to be conducted all over India, available both offline as well as online. This will help you to analyze your preparation at the national level. But here is the game changer. This test series does not end with marks. It starts from there. Apart from comprehensive test, there will be mentorship sessions. These are not generic sessions. It will be taken by expert person who will analyze each question with great in-depth understanding. This will help aspirants to identify their strong areas, fix weak areas and bring a lot of confidence before the examination day. This means no more guesswork. You will get to know which questions to attempt, which questions to leave. More clarity, more probability of sailing through prelims. Because in UPSC, clarity is everything. Remember, every year 5 to 6 lakh aspirants write prelims. It is highly cutthroat competition. Among them, only 10 to 15,000 will get a chance to write their mains. For most of you, preliminary examination is biggest hurdle in realizing your IAS dream. Competition is quite high. CSAT is trickier, but do not worry. These tests will help you to prepare better, plan better, strategize so that you can clear these prelims with lot of confidence. Every single test step closer to your Labasna dream. This will not only help you to prepare the content, but master the examination temperament. As you all know, toppers keep talking about practicing old question paper, taking number of tests. These tests are based on those experiences. If you are serious about Prelims 2026, if you want to realize the dream of becoming an officer who is determined and committed for the national service, join our UPSC Pravesh 2026 Prelim Test Series. It consisting of 6 NCERT-based tests, 26 advanced level tests and 2 open mock tests consisting of paper 1 and paper 2. It is starting from 30th November. Do not lose this opportunity. Let us work together to realize your dream of becoming IAS officer. 30 tests, 1 mission. Your selection in 2026. Remember, you don't clear UPSC by luck. It requires persistence, in-depth analysis, and great determination. Enroll now. Let us make 2026 a memorable year for you by clearing UPSC examination. All the very best. Thank you.